Okay, well, this is my first time up on the second floor today. I'm standing on the loft. That part's done over there, and as you could see, this whole side has plywood on it now. And there's a bird's nest, a robin's nest, I guess. All that's done. So, and this is the master bedroom. It's all closed in with plywood now. This is the master bedroom closet. I guess this is for the attic access or something, this little square thing here. That's the bathroom. A lot of electricals already been done. I think they're almost finished. That's just for the ridge vent. And here is where the skylight is, and it's already put in. Wow. So that's going to be the view on top of the bed, so that you could watch the stars and meteor showers. And hey, I just saw a dragonfly fly by. Wow, so neat. Can't wait. Can't wait. Yeah, so it's really coming along this week. That's all. There's outside at the top of the stairs. Actually, partway down the stairs, I guess. That'll be the window. These windows are going to be cut out later, as you can see. And there's going to be another window over here. So yeah, that's about it for today. I'm sure there'll be more to show you tomorrow. I think tomorrow they're working on the covered porch down in front of the mudroom and laundry room. They're going to put big cedar posts to hold it up. So anyway, I'll take more videos tomorrow. Thanks for watching.